Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be making this origami Flexagon. This project moves forever, so you can keep doing this on and on. Want to build it? Ready, set, let's go. For this project, you'll need printer paper. Start off by folding in half. Crease well. Open it up and do this airplane fold. Crease it, and you're going to fold this down here this way. Turn it over and crease this here to here, and crease. You're just going to crease it well. So when you open it up, you could either rip it or cut it. I like to rip it. You don't need this extra piece. Just turn it this way, open this up, and you're going to fold this down. You're going to crease, open it up, and fold this to the middle, right here. Turn it this way and fold it down here. And you're going to flip it over. And you're going to take this and fold it down to the middle. The same thing with the other one, down to the middle. And then you're going to open it up and crease it down here. You're going to take this one and crease it down here. You're going to fold this. We're going to open this up and fold this over here this way. So there's only 2 squares remaining here. 1, 2. Open it up. Do the other side. 2 squares remaining. Crease. You want it to be neat. And then you're just going to take this here. Take this way. And you're going to take this. Put it on that line right there and crease it all the way down to here. So it's like this. Open it up and do this. Fold it right here, and fold it all the way down here. So when you open it up, it's 2 blocks here. Open it up, fold it on this one, and put it down here. So it's just going to keep going on and on all the way to the bottom right here. Go to here. And once you get here, you're going to take this here, turn it here, and fold it here all the way down to this here. Open it up and do this side. You're going to crease it down here like this. Open it up. And you're going to do the same thing that you did on this side. Fold it here. Go all the way down. Open it up. Go to the next square. Crease right there. And fold it right here. Open it up and fold it on this one. And it's going to go all the way down to here. Open it up and fold it onto this crease right here. Fold it here. Take this, fold it on that crease, and fold it all the way down. And now we're going to do the connecting part. So you're going to fold this here, right here. Fold this here and fold this here. Take this and fold it over right here. Then you're going to open these 2 flaps up like this. Just want to open them up, and you're going to stick this in here like this. And it's going to go in. You have to crease on these corners right here. And then you're going to take this and you're going to push it down right here. Take this side and push it down. Take the other one, then you're just going to fold it here and push it. You're going to have to push it down. Turn it to this side and push it down and push it down. And now it should look like this here. Go to these sides now and you're going to have to push it and push till it gets to right here. It's folded on those creases. Turn it to this side and fold it down here. Push it right here. Go to this side. Take both of your hands and push it down. And you're just gonna wanna keep going. It'll get stuck right here. So you just have to like force it there. And you're gonna have to keep going. And it'll get faster and faster and easier. So it'll work better. And this will get used to it. And you're done.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on your notifications so you never miss one of our latest videos, and we'll see y'all next time.